Let's be honest. We travel for stories, and we travel because of stories. Stories and travel have always been inseparably intertwined. Stories inspire us to pack our bags and explore new worlds. They await us when we arrive, and they come home with us. Destinations have long had the power to author this powerful content, but now storytellers have more narrative devices at their disposal than ever before. This is the era of destination storytelling, and untold stories are the untapped opportunity right in front of us. It starts with the people. They are the beating heart of a place. Their stories fulfill our human desire to connect with those around us. Finding unique characters that embody a destination broadens the audience's understanding of a place and the ways to experience it. This is not a checklist of activities, events, or public figures. It is a deep dive into the very cultural spirit of a people and place. We experience our worlds through sight, sound, touch, and taste. Now more than ever, those immersive moments of multisensory magic can be bottled up in campaigns, rich sound design, cinematic visuals, and immersive textures render an entire world in high fidelity. It is a portal into the landscape that greets travelers when they arrive. An integrated approach allows the Abbi agency to take these stories to platforms and connect them with the right audiences, fortifying story content with effective SEO, blogs, PR pitches, and social media support. We're able to bring audiences deeper into the destination. This influences traveler behavior for the benefit of the visitor and the destination. Why should a destination care about these stories? Because sustainability, equity, community, a newfound love affair with a special place. They all start with a story. Stories convert tourists into travelers, weekenders into lifelong lovers of a destination. Which brings us to Montana. We've got a few Montana stories of our own, and new ones in the making. We feel like we're still turning the pages of a compelling narrative about one of the planet's most special places. We've led llamas down remote Rocky Mountain trails and driven the Going to the Sun Road at dawn and heard first-hand tales of the Chinese wall deep within the Bob. We've seen the larches turn yellow and swam through water as clear as air. The story has just started, and we can't wait for the next chapter.